Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with McDonald's stock, beginner guide step by step clearly. Investing in McDonald's stock can be a great way to build your wealth. First, start by researching McDonald's as a company. Understand its history, market position, and recent performance. Visit financial news websites to get the latest updates. Next, familiarize yourself with stock market basics. Learn essential terms such as shares, dividends, and market capitalization. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your investing needs. Consider factors like fees, user interface, and educational resources. Create a brokerage account by providing your personal information. This usually includes your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into it. Decide how much money you want to invest in McDonald's stock. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Search for McDonald's stock symbol, which is MCD. Look at the current stock price and daily performance. Analyze McDonald's financial reports for insights into its profitability. Pay attention to earnings reports, which provide valuable information. Consider the dividend payout, as McDonald's often pays dividends to shareholders. Create a buying strategy based on your research and comfort level. You can choose to buy shares outright or use a dollar-cost averaging strategy. Place your order for McDonald's stock through your brokerage account. Once your order is executed, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on industry trends and McDonald's announcements. Be prepared to hold your investment for the long term. Review your portfolio periodically and adjust as necessary. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Educate yourself continuously about the stock market and investing strategies. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions in the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.